going on, Evan? Are you doing the dishes? Is that how we do the dishes in the house? Why don't you turn off the water? Thank you. Are you all wet? Let's see. Are you all wet? You're not all wet? Why are your pants all wet? Are you washing the baby bottle? Where's your scrubber? Okay, I'll take that. Thank you. Okay, turn the water off. It's time to get out. Thank you. All done? All done? Okay.